Hello everyone. So I'd like to continue today about with tips to feed in public. So one best thing that really works is that you start feeding your baby at the most initial cue, irrespective of where you are. Now, why it is important when you are out and about and feeding baby on cue is it stops or prevents the baby from starting to make a huge fuss about feeding. You don't let the baby get too hungry and angry because of it, and that draws less attention, right? So you don't want more attention on you when you want to feed your baby, because we are always a little more self conscious, especially when you are about to feed your baby in public. The second thing I would say is feel comfortable. So unless you feel comfortable about feeding in public, I would say stick to be at home, or find places or go to places where you are sure that you will have places to feed in, like visiting stores which have dressing rooms which allow you to feed in privacy. Now, yes, not all places are great to feed in. So that is where I would really love for moms to start baby wearing. With baby wearing, it is mighty easy to breastfeed on the go. So if you have a feeding kurta or feeding friendly clothes, feeding in the carrier is actually really easy. You don't have to sit also. So you can just keep standing. You can continue walking while you feed your baby. But baby wearing, I guess not everyone can do it. So let's just stick to plain old feeding in public. Yes, keep your dress comfortable. That's something I would say. If see, I mean, we say that sari is very comfortable for feeding, but I found that unhooking the buttons takes a lot of effort. So I would still go with a simple chudidar. If you're comfortable with the sari, do go ahead, but there is no compulsion or it's thumb rule to say that the sari is most comfortable, the chudidar is most comfortable. Wear what you feel good in. I found wearing a feeding bra more accessible and easier than the regular bra, because lifting off the with the elastic and putting it back in place is definitely cumbersome with the regular bra, whereas a feeding bra makes it more convenient. So these are things. Quick feed the baby quickly at the earliest response, and have clothes that are easy to feed in. Now, using a cover for the baby. Now, this quite a lot of us, or even I in the initial days, tried using a cover. But what I found immediately was that it was making it very hot and sweaty for the baby. So I have not used a cover ever since, but my own kurta would do the job. And if at all, then the dupatta or the sari pallu would do it, wherein I would cover only up to the baby's mouth, and I would let the baby's face be out of it so that she can get some fresh air. This way, I would also feel, my privacy is intact, and the baby also would feel comfortable. Do share whatever tips you have with regard to feeding in public. Yes, having a car with you is definitely a luxury. You can stay there and stay inside it and feed. Quite a few things are a luxury, but if you're out and about and you don't want your day to stop, don't compromise on it, then definitely finding your comfort zone really helps. So, yes, that's what I have to say about feeding in public. And I'll talk to you more about the other milestones in breastfeeding, namely, sleep regression, where the baby demands more feeds at nights, teething, the most important milestone in terms of any breastfeeding journey, and then how we handled 1 year, the first year, the second year, the third year. Yes, it's a long journey, so do stay tuned. Thank you.